long as you both shall live.
I do.
They tied the knot as soon as they could. The Australian MP Stephen Dawson and his partner Dennis Liddelow got married on Saturday.
That Stephen and Dennis are now married.
It was the first opportunity to do so since the Australian Capital Territory passed a law allowing gay marriage in Canberra and its surrounding area. Around 30 ceremonies have taken place in the past 5 days, but now the High Court has overturned the law and all of the unions will be declared invalid.
This is personally devastating. In less than a week, we've been married and we've been unmarried, at least on a legal level. As one of the absolutely beautiful couples behind me said, we're still married. I've made commitments to Chris to spend the rest of my life with him.
Polls suggest that around a third of Australians oppose gay marriage. The Prime Minister Tony Abbott is one of them, and his government challenged the new law. It said it contravenes federal law, which defines marriage as between a man and a woman. The court agreed and said same-sex marriage is a matter for Parliament, not state and territory authorities. Last year, Parliament voted against a bill to make gay marriage legal. Some campaigners say this case represents progress.
Although there's been a defeat for marriage equality in the High Court today, this week we've seen a much greater victory. And that victory was that the nation saw for the first time, I believe, what is really at the core of this issue. They've seen that marriage equality is not about protests or politics or even about laws and the Constitution ultimately. Marriage equality is about love, commitment, family and fairness.
You're by my side.
But for those who took advantage of the brief window when gay marriage was legal in Canberra, the honeymoon has been short-lived. Emily Thomas, BBC News.